The drive block, which is mounted on the top of the spring tub, rotates the spin basket when the washer is in spin mode. If the drive block is worn out, the basket wobbles and rattles during the spin mode or won't spin at all. Before replacing the drive block, make sure the spanner nut under the agitator that holds the spin basket against the drive block isn't loose. If the spanner nut is tight and the basket still wobbles, replace the drive block with a manufacturer-approved replacement part. Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Pull the plastic end caps off of the sides of the control console. Remove the screws at the base of the control console. Pull the control console slightly forward and then swing it up and back over the top of the back panel. Unplug the wire harness from the lid switch on the washer's top panel. Using a slot screwdriver, pry the clips forward to release the clips from the slots in the top panel. Lift the back of the cabinet and slide the cabinet forward to remove it from the washer frame. Pull the dispenser hose off of the bottom of the bleach dispenser. Push down on the top of the tub ring and pull the locking tabs that hold the tub ring in place on the top of the outer tub. Remove the tub ring from the top of the outer tub. Open the washer lid and pry the cap off the top of the agitator. Remove the 7/16 bolt and washer that secure the agitator to the motor shaft. Grip the bottom of the agitator and pull the entire agitator assembly up and out of the washer. Remove the agitator clip from the top of the agitator drive shaft. Use a spanner wrench to remove the spanner nut. Strike the arm of the spanner wrench to break the spanner nut loose in a counterclockwise direction and remove the spanner nut. Carefully lift the spin basket out of the washer. Tap the bottom of the drive block with a hammer and loosen it and remove the drive block from the basket drive shaft. The new drive block has slots that fit over tabs at the top of the basket drive shaft. Position the new drive block properly so the tabs fit into the slots in the basket drive. Push the new drive block down and tap it into place with a hammer. Lower the spin basket onto the washer tub. Thread the spanner nut onto the top of the new drive block. Use the spanner wrench and a hammer to securely tighten the spanner nut. Reinstall the agitator clip on the top of the agitator drive shaft. Slide the agitator onto the agitator drive shaft. Insert the agitator bolt and the washer. Tighten the agitator bolt firmly. Snap the agitator cap onto the top of the agitator assembly. Position the tub ring on the top of the outer tub and line up the locking tabs. Push down on the top of the tub ring and snap the locking tabs into place. Reinstall the dispenser hose on the bottom of the bleach dispenser. Tilt the back of the cabinet up slightly and keep the front lip of the cabinet on the floor. To position the front lip under the washer frame, push the base of the cabinet forward with your foot to slide the front lip of the cabinet under the front base of the washer. Then, lower the back of the cabinet so the holes in the back of the sides of the cabinet engage the alignment tabs at the back of the sides of the washer base. Reinstall the spring clips at the top of the cabinet. Plug the lid switch wire harness back into the receptacle on the top panel of the washer. Flip the control console down and position it properly on the top panel of the washer. Reinstall the mounting screws at the top of the control console. Snap the plastic end caps into the sides of the control console. Plug the washer into the electrical outlet.